what the initial position was of each and every person on the scene, being field number 1 and Mr. Devek. If you can just indicate to the court, and then the approach angle of the persons and the moment where they were, according to him, when they were shot, and then where he initially found the first way. Just those 3 things.
Okay, I didn't hear you. What are you saying?
First position, my lady, where, according to Mr. Devek, both of the parties stood.
Were they standing here?
No, you must ask him.
Oh,
Standing there, the caravan.
at the caravan.
Yes.
Okay.
My lady, how do you do with the interpretation? It's necessary.
Yeah, it is. It is necessary. So you are saying, Mr. Divet, that at first you were standing at the caravan.
Yes.
That is where you were standing. Okay.
Meneer De Wet, verduidelijk aan die hof. Meneer Ulvier, ik praat nou direct met u. Meneer Ulvier, hij verduidelijkt aan die hof dat jullie altijd langs die caravan gestaan.
Is there any specific thing that the court must note with regard to the caravan? Mr. Fenter, Mr. Any specific thing that we must record in as far as the caravan is concerned?
I suggest maybe he must go and stand exactly at the position where he was.
At the position where he was,
And
okay.
then show us the position where Mr. Oliver was standing.
Okay. Yeah, I see the place is a bit. Will you be able to? Will you be able to pass through? Shaka, shaka.